Choosing the right project management tool can confusing, especially when there are many options in the market. Two very popular tools that many teams compare are Monday.com and Teamwork. Both tools can help you to manage tasks, projects, and team communication, but they are made for slightly different types of users. In this video, I will compare Monday.com and Teamwork in a very simple way so you can clearly understand which one is better for your business or team. Monday.com is known for its colorful design and flexible boards, while Teamwork focuses more on project delivery, deadlines, and the client work. On the surface, they may look similar, but when you start using them, you will feel some big difference. So let's break down everything step by step in a very easy way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. In today's video, we are comparing Monday.com and Teamwork to help you deciding which project management tool fits your needs better. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try these tools. By using the description link, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. So first of all, let's talk about the Monday.com. Monday.com is very visual and easy to understand at first. It uses boards and columns and colors to show the tasks, progress, and the status. Especially for the people who are new to project management tools, you can use Monday.com not only for project but also for sales tracking, content planning, HR tasks, and many other workflows. Another strong point of Monday.com is the customization. You can change the board, you can add automations, and you can connect it with other tools like email, Slack, Gmail, and other tools. But sometimes this flexibility can feel a bit confusing. New users may spend time deciding how to set the things and instead of actually working on tasks. Also, Monday.com pricing increases as your team grows. So for bigger teams, cost can become an important factor. Now let's talk about the Teamwork. Teamwork is built mainly for managing projects, especially for agencies and client-based businesses. It focuses a lot on deadline, task dependencies, time tracking, and workload management. If your work depends on delivering projects on time for your clients, then Teamwork gives you the strong control over that. Teamwork also includes features like task list, milestone, file sharing, and built-in time tracking. This is very useful if you build clients based on hours or want to track your team productivity. Compared to Monday.com, Teamwork feels more structured and less playful. Some people like this because it feels professional and focused, but others may find the interface less exciting. When it comes to ease of use, Monday.com usually feels easier at the beginning. Teamwork may take a little time to learn it, especially if you are new to project management concepts. But once you understand it, Teamwork can feel very powerful for managing real work and deadlines. Now let's compare which one is better for which type of user. If you are a small team, startup, or someone who wants a flexible tool for many types of work, then Monday.com is a tool that is for you. And this is a really good option for you. It looks modern, it is easy to explain, and it's easy to learn, and it's easy to explain to your team member. And that works well for visual planning. But if you run an agency, work with clients, or manage complex projects with strict deadlines, Teamwork may be a better option for you. It helps you to stay organized, track time, and deliver projects more smoothly. So which one should you choose? There is no one perfect answer. Monday.com is great for flexibility and visual planning, while Teamwork is strong for project-focused work and client delivery. The best choice depends on how your team works and what problems you want to solve. To conclude, both Monday.com and Teamwork are strong tools, but they serve slightly different needs. So try them using the links in the description and see which one feels more comfortable for your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand it, give it a like and subscribe the channel for more simple software comparison like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.